A consultant plastic surgeon shared amazing advice with me years ago, and I recently shared it with my sister-in-law, and now I'm going to share it with you. My sister-in-law is getting married very soon, and she sent me a text recently saying, "Darren, my friend, who is also a bride-to-be, has asked me to ask you who to go to for polynucleotides." And I was like, oh my gosh, that really brings me back to when I was a bride-to-be and feeling that pressure to look perfect and do all of the things and all of the treatments and all of the injectables for the wedding day to look perfect. And when I was wedding planning, I actually booked in to get lip filler. Now, it wasn't because my lips were an insecurity of mine. I was doing it because I was a bride-to-be and I felt like I should be doing all of these things. So I booked in with this retired consultant plastic surgeon. I told him I want lip filler for my wedding day. He examined me. He actually examined me for quite a while, and he was looking, he crouched down on the bench next to me. He was looking at all of the proportions of my face and everything. And he said, "No, I'm not doing this because I can tell this isn't a real insecurity of yours. I can tell that you're doing this for your wedding day, and your lips and your face are going to be there long after your wedding day." So he said to me, "Darren, getting lip filler for your wedding day is not a good reason to change the look of your face, because your face is your face long term, and you'll have these lip fillers long after your wedding day. And I know you're just doing this for your wedding day. This isn't a real insecurity of yours." So he said, "No, I'm not going to do it." I'm so grateful that he recognized that and stopped me in my tracks, because I think if I had gotten them that day, I would still be getting them to this day, and it's not necessarily something that I want for myself. Now, I gave my sister-in-law my recommendation, but I also asked her to pass on that little nugget of advice. For brides-to-be, before you get any treatment, procedure or injectable, just check in with yourself and ask yourself, do I really want this for me to address an insecurity that I have, or am I doing this simply because I feel that pressure of the bride-to-be space? Please share that little nugget of wisdom with the brides-to-be in your life. And brides-to-be, let me know your thoughts. Do you feel pressure around this time? I know I certainly did. It can be a stressful time, but it is a lovely time in your life as well. So try to enjoy it as much as you can. It is a very beautiful time.